Hey y'all, today I'm going to be doing miracle knots for beginners. This is my first time trying to do something like this besides regular box braids. I have been neglecting my hair, y'all, for the longest, so I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into it. This video is going to be simple, easy, and straight to the point. Basically, like I said, it's for beginners. We're just going to part our hair, try our best, y'all. It's going to take a couple of hours, I ain't going to lie to you. And you're gonna have to use 2 mirrors just so you can get it right, because your part's tight, right? This is the longest part, is plaiting your hair. But if you want to wear versatile in different styles, it'll be well worth it. So the back is really in my business, but I'm gonna try to make it look good as possible in case I want to switch stuff up a few days. I'm gonna go ahead and part and then go in with some edge control to make my parts crease, and it also help my hair braid down more slicker. Y'all, two things I'm gonna mention, okay? 2 things, maybe 3. Throughout this video, we're not going to talk about my back acne, okay? I need to figure out how I'm going to fix that. Now your eyes on it. I know, you probably won't even worry about it at first. But that, and then also, I'm a mom, so obviously my hair took a couple of hours to do by myself. And I go around cooking, cleaning, all this other stuff, taking breaks in between throughout my day. Realistically, this is just how I get things done. And so my shirt has some food stains on it because, one, I'm a cook, I'm a clean, and I got children, okay? So yeah, back acne, that, and then also if you hear children in the back, if you see me get a little attitude, it's because I'm annoyed. I'm ready, my arms hurt, my shoulders, y'all know when y'all do hair. I am ready to sit down and I'm ready to get this hair done over with. So yeah, like I said, my back of my head took a couple of hours. Like I said, wasn't too bad, you know. I was really ready for like a new look altogether, so like I was trusting the process through it all, like being very patient and just grateful that I knew how to do something. So yeah, that's what happened. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see me finish it up. I'm gonna move section by section. I started off with my hair in 4 sections, and as you can see, this is the front section. I finished the back section. I finished the second half of the back section, and I only have that front section left to do. This made things very much easy, very much organized. And like I said, don't talk about my parts because they're as perfect as somebody can get them by themselves who is a beginner. Okay, I think I did a beautiful job for this to be my first time doing some miracle knots. I haven't really did a style like this in a while, so I was very proud of myself to be using the Dollar Tree handheld mirror and the mirror in my bathroom. We got it done. Okay, resourcefulness, we're gonna make it work, that's for sure. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna let the music play so y'all can just take y'all time, pause this video or rewind this video if y'all need to, okay? I was watching tutorials while I was even doing this hair style, so it is okay. Again, long as you get your end results how you like it, you're gonna feel accomplished. Like, look at that part right there. I don't even care. I still like it. I love it, actually. But yeah, the glasses gonna make me look a little more sophisticated. It's gonna get me in my groove to see kind of like what the end results will look like. So, you know, I ain't gonna put on no full face makeup, no lashes and all that extra stuff, but I did throw some glasses on so I could start to see what this looked like, okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna let this video play and y'all go ahead and watch what I do, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all and give y'all some real updates, real timing. That took 7, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, 5.5 hours. And we're not even done. But I'm gonna take a break and come back and put these feather crochet things. Hopefully this don't take too long.
Wow, look beautiful, Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Wow.
We literally have 2 more left, and we're only on the first half of the first pack. So that's great, because we got a lot done. It seems like when you double them, it makes it stretch. That they do have a color 4. Maybe I should have got 4 instead of a color 2 because the ends of my hair. But I'm praying that it turns out right in the end. I think it would. So we're not really gonna stress that because right now it's coming out. It's coming out, y'all. I can see the vision. Halfway through with adding the boho, basically, and the curls. Yeah, I'm so new to this lingo. Like, I don't keep up with the trend, but see, I'm going for like a side part here. It's versatile, but I'm just gonna flip and make this side much fuller because I'm most likely gonna be wearing side parts. I just didn't want to part it sideways, you know. And then the back, I have this much ponytail left. This much ponytail left to fill these in. Oh, we had just enough hair. Look how full it looks. Give me that, Naomi did this, girl. You did that. Yes, you did. Ah. See y'all at the end results.